we know that the choice filling is restart again, but still we got the result earlier regarding the round 1 counseling of All India Quota counseling in case of the NEET PG 2022 counseling. So today in this video I am gonna talk about the comparison between the last year counseling result of round 1 of NEET PG 2021 as well as the comparison with the today's round 1 result which was released earlier before the yesterday's notice that it is reopened again, right? So we can get a little bit idea that how it will affect the upcoming rounds of the counseling as well as the cutoff. So hello everyone, myself Dr. Surbhi Sahni, hope you are doing great. Let's see the comparison. See, first of all, we see the general category comparison between the result of round 1 counseling of NEET PG, that is 2021 and 2022, right? For the branch anesthesiology, the general category result, that means round 1 result will end on the seat that is 15,357, that is in the year 2021 general category. And this year it is ending on 17,686. Alright. For the EWS 2021, in case of anesthesiology, it was end on 21,851. Rank on the other hand this year, like before the notice, it was end on 26,396 rank. For the OBC, earlier last year we got the last rank, that is in case of the anesthesiology, that is 18,760, and this year like before notice the last rank in case of OBC in anesthesiology is 21,838. For the schedule caste, that is SC, earlier last year rank is 34,020 and this year rank is 37,418. Last year rank was the 54,868 and on the other hand this year rank was 60,259. Case of the Obs and Gynae general category, last year rank was 7,159. This year rank is 9,499. In case of EWS, last year was 11,405 and this year is 13,969. Last year OBC rank is 11,554 and the OBC rank this year for the Obs Gynae is 12,992. Schedule caste, the earlier rank is, that means the last year rank is 26,468 and this year rank is 26,036. For the ST, the today's rank is the 42,477 and the earlier rank was 47,129. Respiratory medicine, the general category, last year the rank was 5,998 and this year is 6,908. Last year EWS in case of the respiratory medicine will have the rank that is 11,111 and this year it is 12,410. In case of OBC, last year rank was 8,920 and this year is 9,342. If we see the SC rank last year, that is the 19,869 and this year is the 22,981. ST rank is the last year was 42,312 and this year is 46,681. You can see the full chart is there. For that chart, you can DM me on my Instagram ID which is shown on your screen and can get this chart link. Definitely each and every branch with the rank is there. Now what will be the effect of this result like before the notice? What will be the reasons behind this result and a maximum variation as compared to the last year? See, First of all, the time is very less for the preparation of NEET PG 2022 exam, right? So on each and every number, the number of people or the number of students are very less as compared to the last year, right? So this was the main reason. Second, the students do the selective choice filling in the choice filling, like they are stick to their choices in the choice filling. For example, the north side people prefer the north side colleges like the UP colleges or the MP colleges or even the Delhi colleges, right? On the other hand, the southern side people, South India side people prefer their side of the colleges. So they do the selective choice filling in the round 1, which will definitely affect and result in the variation of this result. If the student is doing the choice filling according to the last year cutoff, then there might be the negative result of their choice filling might be possible, or the negative effect. So it depends upon the student to student that how they do their choice filling, that will give the result. Followed by the state counselling. If the effective positive, we thought that the state counselling effective positive as compared to what we see in round 1 counselling of All India Quota counselling in case of the NEET PG 2022. And if state counselling round 1 is positive, then definitely round 2 will also be positive, and followed by there is a slight negative effect on the round 2 state counselling in case of the NEET PG 2022. There is more positive shift towards the round 2 counselling of All India Quota counselling. Followed by the main effect will occur in the round 3 mop-up round. Definitely a negative effect will be there, because those students who make the decision that they will take the seat in the mop-up round will definitely got affected with the very negativity or with have a more negative effect. So this was the analysis of the earlier result of round 1 counselling in case of the NEET PG 2022 All India Quota counselling round 1. Now after the new choice filling is open, let's see and hope for the best for the upcoming new revised result, right? So till then, stay tuned with my channel. If you still have any query, you can drop me the mail which is shown on your screen. And don't forget to DM me on my Instagram ID and follow me on my Instagram ID which is shown on your screen. Thank you for watching.